This is how to buy the BNB coin with Ethereum on crypto.com. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Learn passive income concepts, click the link down below. Open up crypto.com, and assuming you would like to buy the BNB coin with Ethereum, first you want to locate the BNB coin, go to the home on the bottom left hand screen, and now as we can see here, we're just scrolling up and then scrolling down. If you don't see the BNB coin, you want to click the search or the magnifying glass on the top right, type in BNB. Underneath here on all coins, click on BNB coin. And now as you can currently see, BNB is currently in an uptrend. Simply put, if you would like to buy the BNB coin with ETH or with Ethereum, scroll down, you might have to buy BNB, or in this case here, as you can see, a one-time purchase, or you can select the payment method of your choice. And now as you can currently see here on crypto.com, the BNB token, you want to type in the amount of BNB you would like to purchase with Ethereum. If you do not have this option and you want to purchase the BNB coin with Ethereum, click right here so you can buy it with crypto. And it's quite simple to do in crypto.com. Click right here underneath the network.